Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Lancaster Bomber landing bay doors. I know a lot of people have had issues with the doors not closing properly, and I think I found a fix and I would like to share that with you. First of all, let's close the doors. So, as you see, the doors are closing properly. Well, there's a little bit of a gap between the panels, but I think that is intentional because I see the gap all around those panels. So well, it actually looks good to me. Now let's open them again. And let's close them again. And as you see, the doors are closing properly and in the exact same position each time. So what's the secret actually? I've done 0 modifications on it. The only thing that I did is that I think that I've installed the hinges in the direction as they should be. And let me explain that. I'm going to take the manual, the instructions manual, and show you what I mean. Well, I hope you can see this. The rear leg is the straight one, while the front one is the one that flares out. So this one. So this is how you install them. In the manual, that's a little bit deceptive, because when you take a look at this picture here, it looks like it would suggest that the leg that flares out is at the rear. But I think what they mean is that you need to install them in such a way that the bend in those hinges is pointing as shown in this picture. So even when you put them with the longer leg, the one that flares out towards the front, and the bend pointing towards the rear, then you have them installed properly. I think a lot of people are misinterpreting this picture and they're putting them in the wrong direction. Actually, the left one on the right side and the right one on the left side, and that's why the doors don't close properly. So once you install them correctly, you will not have any issues anymore. See, it's just perfect. Well, I hope this video helps you with your build, and see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.